Potato farms here in Cloverdale, and this farm has been super important in guaranteeing the food security here in the Lower Mainland. And KPU here is involved because the farm has graciously and kindly allowed us to stock one of our sensors in this field to gather and collect data. We gather and collect climate parameters such as temperature, soil moisture, pressure, CO2, and relative humidity. Our sensor here is from a local tech company in Vancouver called Hive. Every 15 minutes, this sensor beams up all that climate data into the Farmers Hive cloud, and which later I can access onto their website and gather all that data to use in our model. And really the goal of this research is to model and predict the emergence of late blight in order to help farmers let them know when to spray fungicide. So the disease that I'm focusing on that affects potatoes is something called late potato blight. And it is actually the disease that caused the Irish potato famines. And it's still a problem even today. So I'm going to use math to kind of configure a model that works for BC, and with a special focus on the climate change. Our climate has not been the same as it was 20 years ago. It's constantly evolving, as we've seen with the recent flooding and the heat waves that we've seen. We're just trying to figure out a model that best fits BC in order to accurately predict when blight is prevalent or not.